endless amount of cabinets. Come with a traditional apron here. You know? Believe it or not, this is how we dry our clothes. Bienvenidos! Un video nuevo. That's my Spanish for today. Just kidding. Welcome back to another video. Today we are showing you the Airbnb. The second Airbnb we have here in Lima. Let's head inside and take a look. So when you first walk in the door here at apartment 502, you have a bathroom. So we have a toilet. Why am I sitting on it? I don't know. An old fashionary toilet with two buttons, one for the yellow, one for the, you know, a color. A very unique toilet paper holder thing. You really gotta put the arm into it to get the toilet paper. It's kind of weird. I don't really like it, but it's all right. Here in South America, in Peru, most countries, you dispose of your waste with this flippy flappy garbage. Here we have a soap container that is a hippo. Sink, fresh running water. Under here, nothing. Yeah, that's a bathroom. There's nothing to it other than the nice little displays. And as you come in the door, our Airbnb guest gave us some sanitization thingies. Actually haven't used it, but we probably should. But we wash our hands when we come in the house. Going this way, on your left, on my right, we have the bedroom. Here we have the wardrobe. Two big giant doors, one and two. The right side is for storage. We got an iron to heat up our slices of pizza when desperate times call. On the left-hand side over here, some old sneakers from some travels. Got to get rid of them. This is where we're keeping our belongings, backpack, camera gear, and then just drawers for your clothes. Just enough for two people, and that's good enough. Here we have the bedroom. This is the bed, just big enough to fit in the room. Don't have much more space. Over here, he gave us 3 canvas paintings. Not really sure what kind of art it is, but you can't see it at nighttime, so it doesn't matter. The bed looks very nice right now, really clean, because actually we just had a cleaning service done. They changed the bedspread, gave us 2 fresh towels with some yellow stains, no big deal. And we have an end table over here, a little wobbly. Don't put your wine on at night, but gets the job done. It's okay, it's not the most comfortable. I've slept on better and worse. Can't complain. Here we have the bathroom. Why did I come out of the shower? I don't know, I don't care. We have a stand-up shower, pretty good water pressure, an old-fashioned water heater. There's 1, 2, 3 levels on it. 3 is hot, freaking scold your body. We got a big bowl sink in case you have a bunch of friends over. You can have a big bowl of ramen shared together. This thing comes in handy. Just kidding. Ordinary sink. Water's over a little to the side, so it's kind of weird washing your hands sometimes, but gets the job done. A big mirror. Here we got toilet number 2, and also toilet paper roll number 3 and 4. And it's on the side again. I have another pulled shoulder. Comes with another trash can. Here is where we keep the mysteries. I'm not showing yet. Just kidding. It's a washing machine. So this Airbnb does come with a washing machine. It's pretty big. It's pretty technological. It gets its job done. What do you think this is for? Believe it or not, this is how we dry our clothes. All 4 pieces of them every 2 days. It's kind of weird that a place would have a clothing rack like this, but I don't know what they were thinking, but not very convenient. All right, out here we have a private balcony. Not so private because it's very loud, but you can come out here, enjoy the fresh air. We honestly don't spend too much time out here because it is very noisy. You can probably hear it now. but this is a very busy road. It's a main street, and there is a lot of traffic. And over this way is the beach. That's where we can see the sunset, so sometimes we can come out here and peek over without falling. You can just hang out here if you want. It's much better to be out here after about 9 p.m. at night because then it's quiet, there's not as much traffic, and it's just much more enjoyable. Other than that, we have 2 chairs, a table, more like a lawn chair. The best thing is, it comes with a view of the world. We have Rome, Stockholm, Capri, Budapest, Portugal, Venice, Bavaria, Germany, Alemania, Prague, whatever you want to call it, okay? Now we're in the kitchen. Here in the kitchen, we have one of those old school fold-up tables into the wall that your grandparents probably had. It's pretty cool. This is where I do the teaching on. Students, if you're watching, this is where I do the teaching. The kitchen comes with an endless amount of cabinets. I have no idea what you're going to put in here. It does come with some games, Monopoly, very American, and also a pillow to do your yoga or meditation, whatever you prefer. Here we have the 2-seater couch with the traditional Peruvian blanket with colors. It is lacking a coffee table. It'd be nice to have a coffee table here or something to put your feet on. And we have a big TV where we can watch, practice some Spanish. We don't even use it that much. It does come with a stereo system where you can plug it into your phone with an aux cord. Also don't use that too much, but you can put your laptop up here and stream to it. Now to the fridge. Here we have a fridge. It's a medium-sized fridge, good for maybe 2 people. There's some stuff in there. We got the Cusqueña beer, that's essential, and a bunch of miscellaneous things that you probably don't care about. The kitchen does come pretty well supplied. We have a kettle, we have a blender. This is essential in Peru and in Latin America. We got a good rice cooker, also essential. We have a pretty good microwave here, some utensils, enough for 2 people only. Here we have a gas burner stove. This is the bad boy gas right here. This one with a convention hood and some more storage space up top. We also do have a alcohol shaker if we want to make some pisco. Over here is where the rest of the cooking utensils are. We got a couple pots, a pan, this really weird TV tray. Don't use that. Above is where you store your food. We don't have much in there because we don't really eat. Just kidding, we do eat. And some cups, a pitcher, maybe for your chicha morada, coffee cups, bowls, plate, some other things down here that I've already used. You have some ladles and some other utensils. A good functioning sink, not so bad for 1-2 people, I'd say. Really awkward strainer though, but it gets the job done. Although, it does come with a really dull knife that's probably 14 years old and a sharpening stone so we can sharpen our knife. Every day, 2 times a day. And then behind me, we have more storage and the garbage. They give us some cleaning supplies so we can clean up because the cleaning service is only once during our stay and we used it today. So we use this, you know, a few times a week. One of the other best parts is it does come with a traditional apron here. I wear this when I'm cooking my American food. Just kidding. I don't even use it.
You're cute.
It is kind of cool though. Pretty cool Peruvian apron. And this is the other view. The other view is from the balcony. This is from the living room kitchen area. It does face east towards the Andes Mountains, so we don't get a coastal view, but it's not so bad because in the morning the sun rises this way and we get a good sunrise. It is very hard to enjoy some time in here sometimes because it's very noisy with the traffic because we are facing the road. That's the only downside to it. Other than that, this place would actually be pretty perfect, but that's one big negative. This is our hallway on the 5th floor. The apartment does have access to 2 elevators because there is more than 10 floors, so it's very convenient. And that's the elevators. The other good thing about this place is it does come with a security guard. The door downstairs is locked 24/7, and he has to buzz you in if you are staying here or if you live here. Alright guys, let's talk about the price of this Airbnb here in Barranco, Lima, Peru. Now this Airbnb, we decided to reserve for just about a month. We actually booked it for 28 days. It is considered a 1-1, so the bedroom is secluded from the living room in the kitchen, and there is 2 bathrooms in case you have guests over, so they don't have to go through the bedroom to get to the bathroom. Now for 28 days, we paid a grand total of $797.11. Honestly, I don't know if that's a very good deal or not, but for us, for 2 people, splitting that in half for 1 month, I think it's pretty affordable. The Wi-Fi is extremely good here. We tested the speed when we came in, and we got speeds of about 20 megabytes per second upload, and then download I think was near 60 or 70. So the speed is actually really good for 2 people that are actually streaming every day. And that is because we are English teachers, so we have to teach online and use applications like Zoom and Skype. So the Wi-Fi is very stable for us here. So that was like one of the main reasons why we decided to book this place compared to other ones we've seen online. The really fast Wi-Fi, the good reviews and everything else. Now, the biggest negative about this place is the noise. At nighttime, early in the morning, throughout the day, there is noise and noise and noise. And it's all because of the traffic. That main road there, when that intersection right on the corner hits a red light, people get angry. They beep, and it's just not so quiet ever. That's the bad part. So when it comes to the noise, I don't know if the price really matches that well because it is extremely loud, and I couldn't see myself living here more than a month. It's great, it's been great so far. We're about halfway through, but more than a month would be difficult with that noise. I feel like I would need to be deaf because it is obnoxious all the time. Other than that, everything else was pretty good. It's pretty much well stocked. There's a few things that could be added, like maybe a better pan or another pan, as the pan is very small. And one last thing is, if you are coming to Lima and you are looking to rent an Airbnb and you have a vehicle, this place actually allows you to have a vehicle because there is plenty of parking underneath the building. There's actually about 3 floors that go underneath for parking, and it's a great place if you're renting a car, or even if you're coming without a car but you plan to rent a car. This place has the room for you. So overall, this place was pretty good. We're enjoying it. We're gonna spend a couple more weeks here and then see what happens next. So I hope you enjoyed this Airbnb tour here in Barranco, Lima, Peru. But now it is evening and the sun has set and it is time to go get some dinner. So like always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. They have a few. They also give you a few towel racks here. It's pretty good. Sometimes you go to put your towel up here a little too fast and oh no, it falls down. But hey, what can you do? And on top of that, I don't know where you hang it. Maybe on your ear? Who knows what you do with this thing? So, some sponge, 1 sponge. Right. We also got a phone for when we get delivery to the apartment. You know, like Pizza Hut. Hey, Pizza Hut, we'll be down in a second. Wait, is there even Pizza Hut here? No.
Yeah.
There's Pizza Hut?
Yeah.